We're at the Polygon's annual party. It's polygons only, so to get a ticket you have to be a 2D shape with straight sides. Polygons can be grouped based on the number of sides they have, so let's meet the different gangs. Excellent showing from the quadrilaterals this year. They're all the four-sided shapes with internal angles that total 360 degrees. So who have we got here then? Oh, of course, square, hi. Rectangle, how you doing? Rhombus, always a pleasure. Parallelogram, charmed. Kite, looking great. And trapezium, what a legend. Cheers guys, have a good time. Now here's the triangles. That's three-sided shapes with internal angles that total 180 degrees. Isosceles, scalene, equilateral and right-angled. See you later. Hello. It's the irregular polygons. This bunch have sides of different lengths and different angles. They're generally just quite, well, irregular. You guys enjoying yourselves? Let's move on. Cheers all. Now the party can really get started. Look who we've got here. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and wait, who's that? Circle? Circle. You haven't got any straight sides. You're not a polygon, are you? Sorry, but them's the rules. Go on, off you go. Well, that was awkward.